Okay, I'm ready to put the seal back over this bearing, and I want to show you what holds the seal in. It isn't a whole lot. There's just a little lip that goes around the perimeter of the seal, and it fits right inside of this area right here. So it just kind of, the friction kind of holds it in there. So anyway, that's what you're trying to accomplish, to get this to stay in. Now, one thing I will say, in the past, I have used too much grease on these things. And let me tell you, and you can see it going pop in the edge of that seal, going down in, and you can feel it pop in. I have not been able to, and I got a little piece of wood here. I like to run it around there, just kind of make sure it's seated. That feels pretty good. In the past, I put too much grease in them. Yeah, still didn't want to stay in. But anyway, you don't need a lot. I probably, like I said, I probably put too much in this one before, but we'll spin it around here. Pretty quiet now. It's kind of hard to turn without the shaft in it. But anyway, well, there it is. I'll wipe it off a little bit more, and it'll put it back together.